Welcome back. We say good morning to Mike Eppel. Just before the break, Mike, we were talking about this Boeing aircraft and following all the developments over the weekend. Good morning to you.
Yeah, good morning, Melanie. Boeing is telling airlines worldwide, those that operate the 777 jumbo jet with Pratt & Whitney engines, that's the key here, to ground those planes. 128 are currently in operation worldwide. I want to find out actually this morning if Air Canada has any, because there are three types of engines that can be used on a 777 made by either Pratt & Whitney, General Electric, or Rolls-Royce. In this case, it's the Pratt & Whitney, which in this case over Colorado basically caught fire, exploded mid-flight on takeoff. It shed parts. Aircraft engines are designed by their very nature to actually internalize any type of issue if there is one. But in this case, it lost the front cowling, the nacelle, which is not exactly a small piece of aircraft part falling from the sky. Fortunately, no one was hurt, remarkably, in this, but nevertheless, they want to inspect all of those engines, figure out what went wrong. You know, and this is, of course, Boeing's latest issue following, of course, just recently being recertified to get the 737 MAX back into service. And it'll be kind of interesting to see if this has any issue with airlines. They should actually be able to do this right now because airline service is so much reduced from peak capacity. It would be likely more of an issue from a business standpoint if that were the case.
Indeed,
nevertheless, Boeing's stock is down 4% again in pre-market action.
Wow, some scary stuff there indeed. Let's talk about Bitcoin, following the latest here. What's going on, Mike?
It topped $58,000, a record on Saturday. Bitcoin and all of the cryptocurrencies trade 24/7. Yeah, so on Saturday it was north of 58,000. Elon Musk was tweeting about it because, of course, he's been a big backer of Bitcoin, put $1.5 billion of Tesla money into Bitcoin. And he said on Twitter, Bitcoin and Ether prices seem high, LOL. Anyway, it dropped. It's now around 54,000. But again, it brings back the issue of Bitcoin specifically about its volatility. Can it be used from a transactional standpoint? But after Tesla put $1.5 billion into Bitcoin, of course, it made money on that if it sold. And they say that they actually made more money from their Bitcoin investment than they did from making or selling cars all of last year. So, I mean, it's ridiculous yet interesting at the same time. And, you know, our regular... Again, if you've got an investment in your publicly traded company, do the regulators have to investigate what Elon Musk says on Twitter because it moves the market?
Right. Absolutely.
Is it front running? And so that's going to be a potential, tie-in to all of this.
Oh, so many things to watch here, Mike. As always, appreciate your time. Stay safe out there. We're watching the snow as well.
A little slippery this morning.
You got it. And we're just getting our bus cancellation here that I want to share with our viewers here. Transportation in Dufferin County is canceled today, and that's the first cancellation that we are seeing here. More could be coming in this morning as the storm rolls through, so stay with us here, and if we need to activate our storm center, we will do that, but we'll keep a very close eye on all of that for you this morning. Coming up next, we talk to Dr. Zane Chagla, infectious disease expert, with everything you need to know when it comes to COVID-19, including York Region now moving into the red zone.